Sorry I haven't posted in a while. This video took 2 days to record. So yeah, that's probably why. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Chris back at it again with a brand new video. And in today's video, we are obviously playing Minecraft SkyBlock once again. This is part 2, and as you can see, I actually added a few trees off camera. I actually have no idea how much I added. So as you can see, we have a tree here, and if you look over here, we actually added another machine. How's that? That's pretty nice, not gonna lie. It still uses the same lava, and that just fell, and I forgot to plug this up. Okay, so I just patched that. But as you can see, I also have a sword, and over here, I'm planning to build a mob grinder. So I'm gonna build up really high into the sky, and yeah. So I've actually been playing for a few hours. I got all this cobblestone, and I'm just ready to build this mob grinder. And I hope you guys are ready to do this as well. Okay, so I got all my cobblestone. Now, I think it's time to build. Okay, so I'm actually out of blocks, so I'm gonna have to build way up here again. Oh, this is gonna be a pain. Okay, so now I have 2 stacks, but I do need to figure out how I'm gonna get up there. I might need to use some wood. Alright, you guys, so I have 23 pieces of wood, so that should give us more than enough to get up plenty of times, up and down, whenever we want. Alright, so now I need a lot more cobblestone. So, here I am again. Okay, so we're back up here again. Gotta go down again. Let's jump into the water. Oh yeah, we can make that. Oh no! Oh wait, oh yes. Let's get to mining. Ah, time to go all the way back. Okay, now we need to make all of this into wood. Oh yeah, that's a lot of wood. I guess I could build right here. Make this into slabs. 54 slabs. Wait, what do I need slabs again for? Man, I just messed up, didn't I? Oh no. Okay, whatever, I'm just gonna use them. Okay, so I got 4 stacks of cobblestone here. As you can see, I've been mining for a while. And 3 extra blocks, which I don't think I'm gonna need. So, let's go up there. So after 10,000 years, I finally got like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stacks of cobblestone. This is literally taking the entire day to make this, but it's gonna be worth it, trust me. Oh man. Well, I think that went well. Got all the cobblestone on. Now it's time to add the water, which is probably going to take forever as well, but not as long as it was to get the cobblestone up there. What is this? Here we go. It's filled with water already. Oh, I should have brought the sword. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Oh no. Oh no. I gotta. Oh, how to make torches working. Ooh, we got some vines here. I'm not sure we could collect that, but whatever. Let's just chop it down for no freaking reason. Yeah, we can't collect that. We need like shears or silk touch or something. Yeah, that's looking pretty great. That'll probably be best. Oh no, don't tell me I need a new pickaxe. Oh no. Okay. So let's go one up, right? Okay, now we could cut that in place. Ooh, how are we gonna do this? I don't have any more cobblestone. Okay, I have slabs.
Surprise, motherfucker.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh no! Oh, that's too bad. Okay, I wanna do it from over here. Yay, I did it! Yay! Okay, now I gotta chop all this down. Oh, it feels good to be back. Okay, I guess I could dig straight up from here. Alright, another pickaxe. Thank you very much. I might need another tree, so I'm just gonna collect this real quick. Oh no, I forgot a creeper blew that up. Oh, we're probably gonna have to go clean that up real quick. You know what, you guys? I ain't doing this no more. I'll see you guys on another video. I'm gonna finish this off camera. So, yeah, the next video is gonna be me done, probably. So, yeah. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Next video is probably gonna be me done with this entire operation. But, yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, here's my outro. Bye. Peace.